Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to disable professional account on Instagram. But first, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will always be notified with our new uploads. So to start, let's go to my Instagram account. And then here, let's click on my profile. As you can see, I have the professional dashboard. So let's go to the three bar button at the top, go to settings, and then click on the account option. Look for the switch account type. And then here you can now switch to personal account. After switching to personal account, you can now go back to your profile. And as you can see, the professional dashboard is already removed. So that's how you remove a professional account on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you on our next video.